റൈഡിങ് ഇവന്റ് ഇപ്പം ഏകദേശം 1-1.5 വർഷമായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഈ ഒരു റൈഡിങ് ഇവന്റ് വരണം നടത്താൻ സാധിക്കുന്നില്ല. കോവിഡ് സിറ്റുവേഷൻ കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം കഴിഞ്ഞതിന് ശേഷം ഇങ്ങനൊരു പെർമിഷൻ നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പോഴാണ് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇപ്പോൾ നോർമലി ഈ ഒരു ക്രൗഡല്ല വൺ റൈഡ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ സംഭവം. ഇന്ത്യയിലുള്ള പല ആൾക്കാർ ഇതിനകത്ത് ഉണ്ട് എന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
Good morning, everybody. It's another good day. Today is Sunday, one ride day. So I'm at the showroom in Kaimanam. I thought I would just come and ride with them, just for a change. I usually ride solo, but yeah, it's one ride, man. Like you can't go solo. You have to go with a group of people. Actually, I have my friend there, right there, Subit. Thank you. That's nice. We'll use that sometime. Okay, so this is the lineup. Look at that. There's about 25 bikes, if I'm not wrong, actually. And this is my bike. Yay! Why do I sound like a little kid? I have no idea what's going on at the moment. Oh, okay. He was supposed to join us right now. Okay, so we're actually going to a place called as Puar. It's not very far from there, but yeah, decently far. Okay, oh my god, look at that. That's so beautiful, man. I wish we could take our bikes over there, but it's gonna be a pain in the ass. I can just put my gloves on this so that it doesn't really, you know. I'm actually carrying some things inside this just to test it out. നില്ലേ അവിടെ നില്ലേ going to the next location. Bro, I just wish we could go out in there. Well, it's gonna be really risky though, especially when I have my top box and shit with me. Off-roading and doing adventure stuff with the top box is not really a good idea, to be honest with you. Feels so bad to see all this garbage in here. I've never been here before. It's the first time. It's sand and sand and sand everywhere. Okay, we're still going and going. I thought it was close by. Apparently it's kind of far. And now I think we're about 40 bikes. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, now I think it's about 40 bikes.
നമ്മളെ ഇന്റർസെപ്റ്റാർ ഫസ്റ്റ് അടിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്.
Okay, the event is over. We are going back home at the moment. I don't know, everyone's split up, so no idea where the others are. But there's one rider holding on to us right behind me. It's an Interceptor 650, and I'm holding on to him. He's Subit, by the way, he's my friend. I don't know the route, and that's why. But yeah, it was a good day. I hope you guys liked the video. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.